Yes, hello guys, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel Tech256. In this video tutorial I'm going to guide you on how to hard reset the Sony Xperia SOV37, and I'm going to show you on how to hard reset it in case you forgot your pattern. Sorry for the rubber bands, just that the screen has been just fixed. So let us get started. So what you need to do is to get the USB data cable or a charger, and then you plug it in your computer, and then you turn off your device, power it off. So it is a Sony Xperia SOV37. Okay, so after powering it off, so what you need to do is to plug in the the USB charger in the phone. Then so after plugging in your USB, so what you need to do is to press the power button and the volume down button like this. You hold them together until the phone boots on. You keep on holding them, just keep on holding them. When your USB is connected, just keep holding the buttons, and then you'll be able to see this reset phone. As you can see right there, you just have to tap on reset phone, and then you'll be able to click OK, and then the phone will be erased. That's how you can hard reset your phone, Sony Xperia SOV37. So let us wait for it to boot up, and you see that it is now hard resetted. As you can see, it is erasing. So as you can see, it is done. You just have to set it up and you're good to go. So that's all what you need to do. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel Tech256. I sign out.